Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sada Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 23rd April 2026, Nifty index opened negative and witnessed pressure right from the start of the session. It took support near the previous session's lower zone near 24,350 and managed to move in a range-bound manner for most part of the day. It gave up strength towards the end and closed with losses of around 200 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and has got stuck in a range from the last few sessions. India VIX was up by 4.4% to 18.3 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 1.02. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,900 to 24,900 marks, while immediate range could be in between 24,100 to 24,600. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 1,481 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 1,547 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 21.7%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to continue to hold above 24,350 for the next up move towards 24,500. Else, a hold below the same could see weakness towards 24,100 mark. Bank Nifty has to hold above 57,000 for the next up move towards 57,500 levels. While on the downside, support can be seen at 56,500 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in PNB Housing, Exide Industries, Manappuram Finance, Keynes Technology, Inox Wind and Jubilant Food, while some weakness could be seen in SBI, HCL Tech, Tata Elxsi, Mphasis, Infosys and CDSL. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sada Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.